everybody. So, it is April 15th, and yesterday's brain stretcher, we asked what major historical disaster started on April 14th and ended on the 15th, and the answer was very good. The Titanic sank in 1912. So a lot of people got that. Matty Arts, Elliot, Kai, Blake, and Geraldine were the first five. And bonus points goes out to Gavin because he actually pointed out another one that would fit that was the assassination of Abraham Lincoln because he got shot going to watching a theater on April 14th of 1865, and then he died the next day on the 15th. So bonus points to Gavin. All right, so now today's brain stretcher. So I've got just water in this glass. I'm actually stealing this from Mrs. Schmidt at the high school. She had her physics class doing this. All right, so if you can hear that, here, come a little closer, Megan, just so we know they can hear it. Try not to catch your robe on fire there. So I just dip my fingers into the water, and it starts making that noise. We're looking for one word, one scientific word that allows for this phenomenon to happen. All right, email me your responses.